Just kidding. Okay. This video is going to be about my cats, or not everything about my cats, because that'd be weird. Well, not weird, but I'm just going to show you my cats. I have 5. So, we're starting with the biggest ones going down. First of all, we have Milo. He is huge and does not like to be held, just saying. I don't even know how old he is, but then we have the second oldest. She's obviously black. Her name's Isabella. Then we have the 3 kittens. The 3 kittens have Elvis. They have a little runt. Camo. Then we have Bobo, and I did have another one, but sadly he drowned. So yeah, those are my cats. Sorry, this is what happens when Katie gets bored.